Spiritual courage is the gift you will receive in the coming manifests, so that you are able to break free of failure patterns in your life. I call this the gift of spiritual courage because it is not about being bold, because it is about being. It is about being what you have never been before. It is about doing what you have never done before. Every human being has experienced failure in life. The most successful people also have their list of failure. You call them successful not because they did not fail. You call them successful because they have succeeded at some things. But do they not have failures on their list? Definitely they have. And then there are people who do not see themselves as being successful at all because they too have experienced failures in life. Unfortunately, the pain of failure, the fear of failure has been so much that they are not able to manifest success in a big way after, say, a traumatizing failure. Is it wrong to fail? No. Can anyone succeed at everything? No. But the problem is, once you fail at something and that the failure has wounded you deeply, there is a possibility it can become a pattern. This failure can cause an impression. This failure can become like a samskara, can become like an imprint on your physical body, in your mind body, and also in your energy body. When it becomes an impression, thereafter you experience failure patterns. What is a pattern? It is something that goes on repeating periodically again and again. A pattern is something that repeats. When you have been wounded by failure at any age in our life, there is a huge possibility of failure pattern forms in your life. And this failure pattern must be purged from your body. This failure impression creates anxiety, creates a lethargy in the body that will recreate a failure pattern. In your mind, there could be an impression of failure, and that too has to be purged of these failure impressions. If not, the same kind of thinking can repeat again and again, same kind of indifference, same kind of hesitation, same kind of reluctance, and then you go on and land in the same kind of failure. This failure pattern can also be an impression at the energy body level, at the pranamaya kosha. It could have blocked energies in the nadis in your energy body. And then every time you approach a project, you approach a relationship, you approach something, you approach life, that energy gets blocked. You feel a terrible low energy or an energy of inner chaos, and then you manifest a failure pattern. In this spiritual courage manifest, I am going to lead you through a mystic process. A mystic process that will liberate you from these failure patterns in your physical body, in your mind body, and in your energy body, so that you are not trapped in this failure pattern, and whatever you set out to achieve, you are able to achieve. This is the gift you will receive from this manifest. You will break the jinx.